काश्यां हि काशते काशी, काशी सर्व प्रकाशिका, सा काशी विदितायेन तेन प्राप्ता हि काशिका. Namaste. This is Alok Deep, and I am one of the co-founders of Ashtakam Vedic Ceremonies, a corporation based in Kashi, the land of our own Lord Shiva. Kashi is the oldest living city in the world, and it is also known as the cultural and religious capital of India. That's the reason why people from all over the world want to come to Kashi, not only for pilgrimage, not only for tourism, but also for performing their rituals and ceremonies for their families, business, children, and whatnot. At Ashtakam Vedic Ceremonies, we perform Hindu ritual and ceremonies in Kashi and enable you to join from anywhere in the world, which means that all the pujan and ceremonies will happen in real-time manner. The edifice of Ashtakam Vedic Ceremonies is based on the very fact that this industry of performing ritual ceremonies in India is highly unorganized. And Team Ashtakam ensures that your sentiments, your faith, your belief in the religion, in the gods, does not get hampered. The Team Ashtakam ensures with the complete transparency of how the ritual or the ceremonies should be done in the best possible manner to give you complete immersive experience. Wherever you are, you can join from there in a real-time manner. And you can also invite all your relatives online to attend the puja or ceremonies in real-time manner. Do you want to come to Kashi, the land of Lord Shiva, the holy land of Lord Shiva, for your rituals, ceremonies, for your family, business, or anything else? However, you're not able to come. Don't worry. We are the solution. Ashtakam Vedic Ceremonies is to perform the rituals and ceremonies in real-time manner, remotely, for you and for all of your family members from anywhere in the world. Ashtakam means Ashta in Sanskrit, and Ashta means number 8. And number 8 is representative of completeness, richness, oneness, and enlightenment. Like you see the 8 petals of the flower lotus, and it makes it complete. Or like you see the 8 rhythmic stanzas of the Sanskrit poetries, which make it complete. And so is the name Ashtakam. And today, from this podium, I want to thank all of you on behalf of Team Ashtakam for supporting us so well and praising us and giving us your blessings, because we are a startup and we want to come to you more and more and more. We want to help you more and more and more. We want to serve you more and more and more. Thank you so much for your overwhelming support. We will come back to you very soon, and we will be with you in real-time manner. Thank you.